Hi, my name is Amir Rafiq bin RIZAL, and now I'm going to do my second experiment, soil texture by the fields method. First thing first, let's take out the sample. The first sample is soil A, and the second sample is soil E. Now let's start. So now we will pour our soil to our hand. Then we will take a little bit of water and pour it to the soil. If the soil is too wet, then you need to add some dry soil. Then we proceed in kneading the soil. So, can the soil form a ball? As you can see, the soil can. So, sample A can form a ball. Now, we're going to do the same thing for our second sample, which is the E sample. And now we start kneading the soil. However, the soil crumbs. So, can the soil from sample E can form a ball? The answer is no, it can't. So, can the soil form a ribbon? I recommend to not do this in your room because it is quite messy. From the ribbon, we're going to take a ruler and we'll measure the centimeter. So for this one is 4.5 centimeter, this one 4.6 centimeter, and this one 4.7 centimeter. Now for our last step is to find whether the soil is very gritty or very smooth or neither. So you need to take a little bit of your sample soil, so like this much, and we will pour some water to make it very wet. And then take this finger and rub it in. It feels very gritty, quite gritty. It is not smooth. Yeah, it's really gritty. Now we're going to do our third experiment, which is soil color. But first, let's bring out the soil sample. Sample A, sample B, sample C, and lastly, sample D. Now let's start. So for the first step for experiment 3, we need to add a little water in our soil sample. So this is for sample A. Just add a little bit of water. Then we will smear the soil on a piece of white paper. And then we will use a Mansell chart, or for now we are using the app of Mansell chart to make to identify the hue, value, chroma, and the descriptive term of the soil. And then we will repeat this method with all the other 3 samples. So this is for sample A. This is sample A, this is sample B, this is sample C, and lastly, this is sample D. Then we can use the Mansell color chart for the soil sample. Example, sample A, it's a brown black color, so then we can determine the hue, chroma, and everything. That is all from me for experiment 2 and 3. Hope y'all like it. Thank you.